Welcome to Nav Classes. If you are new to my channel or viewing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe here and ring the bell with subscribe button. Today we are going to discuss high level puzzle with 4 variables. Let us see this puzzle. Here I recommend you to take screenshots so that you will be able to get the question while we are solving it. Okay, so the question is saying about 5 executives KLM and O, and each has different hobbies, and there are 4 variables. It means their hobbies and their friendship with person, and then the respective profession of those person. So let's see how to solve such questions. So every time I teach you, you should just read the question and simultaneously write down whatever the information you are getting. Okay, so here I got executives KLM and O, so I am writing it here. And after that we know that each has different hobbies, so we can write here hobbies of them. This can be dancing, playing, acting, blogging, cooking, so but not in same order. So I can write here so that I'll be able to know that these hobbies can come in this column. Okay, so I'm writing like so. Then we have this much information which we have to put in this column. Okay, then each executive has a friendship with the person wizard. Here we can write down friendship. So these person are V, W, X, Y and Z. Next information is each person has different profession: wizard, cricketer, accountant, judge, plumber and surgeon. So these persons are having different professions, so I can write like this: cricketer, accountant, judge, plumber and surgeon. So we have to put these all information over here. Okay, I hope you understood the criteria, and then we are going to solve these information. Now let's read all step by step and put the information wherever we are getting, and if you are not getting, so just write down all information in the symbolic way. Firstly, we have there are only 3 female executives. We know that there are only 3 female executives. We denote female with negative sign, minus, and I'm writing it here like hobby, friend and their profession. So there is one female whose friend is X, so I wrote like so. Then there is female whose hobby is dancing, so I write like negative and dancing. And then there is one whose friendship with the person who is plumber, so I write like plumber. So we write all these information in this fashion. And there is one more implied thing, that these females are different. It means the female whose friendship is with X is not having the friendship with plumber. Okay, so these all females are different because it is implied in this equation. Then the female whose hobby is playing has friendship with the person who is judge. We know that female, so we denote this like a minus sign, and then that person is judge, so we note this much here, playing and judge. Then the person who is accountant has no friendship with the person whose hobby is acting, so with acting, accountant cannot come. This much we know. Y is neither an accountant nor a cricketer, so I can write down like Y is not accountant, so I can cross this, and not cricketer, it is crossed here. Now see, we have these all informations, and another information is Z is not a judge, so we can write it like so. Then person who has friendship with Z is a female. We got this idea that Z is the female, but she is not N, so we can cross N here. Okay, she is not N here. So we know that by now we can able to judge that this is minus sign for N as well, so N is female, and it says O's hobby is playing is not a male. If O is not male, then who he is or she is? If he is not male, then she must be female, so I just write down like so. Okay, and then K and M are not female. If they are not female, then they must be male, so I can write plus with them. Then K's hobby is cooking, we know, and is friend neither with Z nor with accountant. By now we know that K is not friend with Z and not friend with accountant. So we can omit this block with Z and accountant. So these two figures cannot come here. So I can write like this: Z cross and accountant cross. Accountant will not come here and Z will not come here. Then else hobby is blogging. Else hobby is given, that is blogging. Okay, by now we know that there are three females, then L must be female. W is the cricketer and he has no friendship with K. W has no friendship with K, but W is cricketer. We know that W is cricketer. So we can write it here that W cannot come here in this block. Okay, the one who is cricketer has no friendship with N. By now we know that W cannot come with N as well. W cannot come with K, W cannot come with N. So I can write like this: W or cricketer will not come in this block. Okay, and then we have these much information. Let's see which all informations are available to us in our symbolic way. So let's see. Y cannot come with the accountant and cannot come with cricketer. Okay, and one more information is given that playing is friend with the judge. So this information we are able to put it here. Then we have Z is not friend with N. So Z cannot come with N. Z cannot come here. So we got these many things. And Z can't be judge. So it is already satisfied that Z can't come here with O. So where the Z can come? We know the Z is female. By now we know the Z is female. So already two blocks are omitted for the Z. So where Z can occupy the place? Z can come here only. So L is female. Then Z will come here. Okay. And here we know that with Z the accountant cannot come. Okay, judge. Let's see where accounts can occupy. Accounts cannot come in above 2, then accounts can come only in 2 blocks. So there are 2 options for accounts because last one is also occupied by judge. Okay, so I can choose one from them. If we read the question, we have W is cricketer. So W is cricketer, so we require 2 blocks for W and cricketer. It means W can't come, this is mentioned in the question, and Z is occupying this place, and there W cannot come, and in last place also there is judge, so cricketer cannot come with W. So we can write W and cricketer here. So we have only these 2 places for W and cricketer. Now we have accounts with us. Accounts can't come here, accounts can't come here. Here is judge and here is cricketer, so account can come here only because there is no any other space for accounts. So we got these 3 perfectly. See, now we have 2 places over here in profession. One is plumber, one is surgeon. So here we have 3 blocks for 3 variables, that is X, Y and V. Okay. So we know that with accounts Y cannot come. So where Y can come? Y can come here only or at the end, in last word. Okay, so these are 2 places for options for Y, and we have another option. Let's see, let's read again. Females whose hobby are playing has friendship with person who is judge, that is satisfied. The person who is an accountant has no friendship with the person whose hobby is acting. So by now we know that with accounts acting cannot come, so acting can come only where? Here with M. So we got this, and after that we know that only dancing is remaining, so we can write down dancing here. So we got this. Now we have X. We know these are 3 females who are different from each other. So if dancing is coming here, X cannot come here. Okay, this is one condition. And then if X is coming, then plumber cannot coming. So there are only 2 places for X, first and last, because with dancing X cannot come. So see, we know that x is female because we already denoted x with negative sign. So see, x can come only on first or last. So we know that k is male. If k is male, so x cannot be here because x is for female. Okay, so we have to write x on the last with O option. So x can come only on one place, that is last one. So let me write down x, because k is male, so x cannot come here. X can come only with O, that is female. So we can write down x over here with the female. See, now we are remaining with y and v. Okay, so y can come on two places, this first k or with n. Okay, so one more information is given, y cannot come with accountant and cannot come with cricketer. So here y cannot come. So what is remaining place for the y? So y can come with k only. Okay, so here we got these two. So now plumber and surgeon are remaining. So from our given information, this is given in the question that one who has friendship with person who is plumber. It means plumber can come only with female because there is negative sign with it. So k is male, so plumber can come only with L. So here k is remaining, so we can fill this with surgeon. So we got the answer for this whole puzzle having 4 variables, that too in easier manner. What we did is we just read our question one by one and we place all information as per our information. And if we are not able to place that, we can write these informations in symbolic way and we write down each and every information as these x, w or accountant cannot come over here. We searched for the information which is more. It means as in case of accounts, lots of information is given, so we did like so. In case of plumber and surgeon as well, we know that plumber can come with female only. We placed that, and remaining was surgeon, so we placed that surgeon with k. In this manner we are able to solve this. So this is the question. Read this whole question and here is the solution for that question. You can have a look on it. Okay, so keep watching Nav classes. Please do subscribe. If you didn't yet, you can share my videos with your friends so that they will get benefit with such videos and they can also learn these tricks. So you can join me on Facebook group Nav classes and Facebook page Nav classes. In Facebook group I continuously keep posting PDF notes for such lectures, so have a look on them. Just do subscribe if you didn't yet and click on Nav classes. If you click on Nav classes, you will reach to my channel. Here is the bell icon. Please do click on the bell icon so that as and when I upload my new video, you will get them. You can click on playlist for English videos.